Good morning. Yes, in the last video we have talked about different types of targeting, right, in AdWords, and today today's topic is setting bids and budgets. That is also one of the important part, the bid strategy and the budgets, right? Initially, in digital marketing, whether we are on AdWords or on particular social media channel or working on Facebook and other LinkedIn. So what we need to set is the daily budget or a campaign budget. How much we want to spend daily, right? On the daily basis, maybe 5,000, maybe 500, or maybe 50,000, or maybe, right, any daily budget, right? Daily budget we have to decide and mention to the system how much daily budget is required, and for that daily budget we have to link our credit card or debit card with the AdWords. We have to enter details, card details on the AdWords for payments, right? The payment on the daily basis on the or advance payment deduct AdWords deduct, right? Your daily budget is the amount that you set for each campaign to indicate how much on average you are willing to spend per day. New AdWords advertisers might want to start small between $5 to 50. For example, we can start from any limit of budget. In India, it is of course in rupees terms. Advertising goals. It depends upon the daily budget is depends upon the advertising goals and suppose if the campaign is going on the countrywide, then we need a large amount of budget. If campaign is for a restaurant in Dehradun and we are targeting only population around 5 kilometers in Dehradun, then of course budget may be 300, 400 or 500 per day will be quite enough. 500 will be enough for a restaurant. Or if we are talking about university system, university advertising on Google, it depends upon the if you are advertising whole day 24 hours or how many, what is your placement scheme. If you are placing on multiple websites and using large set of keywords or topics, then you need a large budget. The budget is, as I said, depends upon your advertisement goals, and goals means what you want to achieve, how much you want to achieve, and your targeting methods and right, and your geographical locations, how much location you want to cover. If you are using 1,000 rupees budget per day for countrywide for the India, and advertising targeting geographically the whole India, then it will be nothing. It will be for only for the 30 minutes for the Google. But if you are advertising only in Dehradun in 4 kilometers and radius for a restaurant, and even you have settled with some special topics, you have settled with some particular interest categories of your audience, like foodies and all, non-vegetarians, whatever you want, you have selected some interest, then 1,000 will be sufficient for a day. Getting the point? So it depends upon a lot of things. How much you have to opt for daily budget, that depends upon a lot of things, and that depends upon ultimately on your objectives, on your targets, goals, what you want to achieve. Now the next is your bidding strategy. As we have discussed, as we learned in previous module, AdWords offers several bidding strategies that are tailored to different types of campaigns, right? Bidding strategy for branding and awareness creation will be different. Bidding strategy for conversions and products directly sales and conversions will be different. Bidding strategy for attracting traffic on your website, on your marketplace, on your product page will be different, on your shopping site will be different, right? That all. And we have different types of bidding strategies, of course, and in this cost per click CPC bidding, that is one of the most common bidding strategy. CPC, cost per click, or we can say pay per click. We also call it pay per click. We have discussed pay per click and CPC, cost per click, same thing. whether you are saying it cost per click or pay per click, it is similar thing. Use if you want to drive customers to your website. When we use CPC or PPC, when you want to drive customers on your website from different places, on different ways we want to drive customers on our website. Cost per impression, CPM bidding, we call it cost per impression. It is basically cost per 1000 impressions, CPM. Use if you want to make sure that customers see your image, awareness, brand awareness, right? Only for brand awareness. Now the next one is cost per acquisition, CPA bidding, cost per acquisition. Acquisition means conversion, sales or something else. Use if you want to maximize conversions on your website. If you want to maximize conversions on the website. The next one is demographics. Use if you want to maximize conversions on your website. Right. So these are the bidding strategies we go for. You can also use more advanced strategies like bid adjustments. Bid adjustments to bid more or less competitively across devices. Depends upon the devices. On some devices you may be ready to pay more, or on some locations you may be ready to pay more, on some times you may be ready to pay more, maybe on weekends you may be ready to pay more for advertisements and more, or flexible bid strategies to automatically set bids to optimize your performance goals. Getting the point? In general, the higher your bid and more relevant your ads and keywords, the more likely your ad will show at a higher position on the page. Higher position means we have 8 positions on Google page, top 4 and bottom 4. Google is displaying, that is not about, we are not talking about, that is basically not about search ads, that is about display advertising, and display advertising is not about Google AdWords, these positions, right? And this is about showing advertisements above or on better location than competitor on different websites or on mobile applications. With CPC bidding, you can set a maximum amount that you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. This is maximum cost per click bid, or simply max CPC. Max CPC. This bidding method can be a good value because you pay only when a viewer is interested enough to click your ad and learn more. You are paying only when someone is interested and want to know more about your advertisements. You have to pay on click. As in case of CPM bidding system, you have to pay on impressions. That is, if visitor has seen your ad, or if the ad appeared, then you have to pay. If you use CPC bidding, you will have the option to use manual bidding and choose your own bid amounts, or automatic bidding and let AdWords set your max. Depends upon the how much AdWords charging, because AdWords charges countrywide for particular keywords or placement basis. So we can go for automatic as well. Whatever AdWords is charging for that, let charge. Or we can use manual bidding systems. Please don't charge above that. Place our advertisement only on sites and applications where the cost is less than this, or cost is maximum up to this. This is we call automatic manual bidding system. You can manually enter the amount, maybe 10 rupees or 20 rupees per CPC, only where it is possible. In case of automatic, AdWords sets automatically. Manual bidding gives you more control over your bids. For example, you can set different bids for individual keywords or display network. Target methods with automatic bidding, right? Manual bidding gives you more control over how much you want to bid, right? The next is CPM bidding. With CPM bidding, you bid for your ad based on how often it appears on the display network. Why use CPM bidding? If your advertising goal is to get your business name in front of more people, for example, you might care more about ad impressions than clicks and visits to your website. More interested initially or some position about what is happening and what is the brand, right? What is the product, telling people about instead of getting them on your website. That is also possible. That may be the business goal. In that case, you have to pay different amount. You have to opt for CPM bidding system, right? When you set a CPM bid, you set the maximum amount you are willing to pay per 1000 ad impressions. We call this max CPM. When you set a CPM bid, you set the maximum amount you are willing to pay per 1000 ad impressions. Getting the point? Maximum amount on 1000 ad impressions. As I said, 1000 you have to pay for 1000 impressions, and you have to set the CPM max CPM for CPA bidding. Now the third types of bidding strategy. CPA bidding is bidding method that lets you tell AdWords the amount you are willing to pay for conversion, how much you are ready to pay for conversion. Conversion means maybe for a sale, how much you are ready to pay for a particular product on your website, on your shopping site. That you have to tell to Google, I am ready to pay 100 rupees for one sale of this product. Because Google knows who is interested in buying that. Google will show advertisements to only those guys, right? It can help you reach customers who are likely to action on your website. Likely action on your website. To use CPA bidding, you will need to either set up conversion tracking, cross account conversion tracking, or be important data from Google Analytics. You have to know about, right? And if your client is new on digital marketing and you are setting a digital campaign first time for your client, so Google is not going to accept CPA bidding at first. The campaign should run on the basis of CPC for at least for the 15 to 30 days. Let Google understand your customer types, right? What is the profile of your customers they are going to purchase? Only then Google will accept your cost per acquisition bidding system. Getting the point? What Google says, let me know first who are your customers. The CPC campaign should be there for at least 15 to 30 days. Only then the button for CPA campaign will be active. Let Google understand your customers who are going to buy your product, because CPA is cost per acquisition, cost per conversion, right? You will also need to set a maximum CPA bid, which is the maximum amount you would like to pay for a conversion, or target CPA bid, which is the average amount you would like to pay for conversion. That is, sometimes Google may charge more than CPA you have set. Suppose you are willing to pay 100 rupees for a particular sales of a particular item on your web shopping site. Google may charge sometimes 120 up to 20-25% higher than what you are willing to pay, and sometimes it may be 10-20% lower than that, but the average will remain around 100 rupees, near 100 rupees, not exact, which is the average amount you would like to pay for conversion. We recommend using target CPA since it's easier to track your average conversion cost, and people using this option tend to get more conversions. It gives results, and it is advisable to use it. And then we have bid adjustments and flexible bidding strategies. Flexible bidding strategies are there, as I said, 20 plus minus 20% may be possible, mostly plus, right? So here are the different types of strategies. Maximize clicks, target search, that we will discuss on the next video, maybe the last one, right? And Okay, that we'll discuss in the next video about these studying students. Okay, thank you very much.